Market momentum: can Nifty sustain gains amid global shifts and domestic buzz? In yesterday's trade, Nifty started on a strong positive note, and the positive takeaway was that the enthusiasm was all through the trading session. This Wednesday morning, GIFT Nifty is on the rise. The rise is on the backdrop of news reports that the President-elect Donald Trump is considering scaling back tariff plans. Please note, Trump had earlier threatened blanket 10 or 20% duties on all its trading partners. In fact, Trump had threatened to impose 100% tariffs on BRICS nations if they act to weaken the dollar's dominance in international trade. The next big theme revolves around the Federal Reserve's published economic forecasts that suggested rates would fall in 2025 by less than previously hoped. The street is expecting that the Fed to cut rates only once this year, with a 60% chance of a second quarter-point cut. This Wednesday, the benchmark Nifty also benefits from the US dollar weakness to 108.30 levels. But that said, upside on Nifty is likely to be capped as the benchmark 10-year US Treasury bond yield still holds above 4.64%. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's negative session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1491 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 1615 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bit bullish in today's trade. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are still indicating weakening bullish momentum on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 14.66 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.15 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 0.73. Nifty outlook: Nifty bulls may regroup at lower levels. Nifty, CMP 23708. Support, 23,600 to 23,550. Resistance, 23,800 to 23,850. Range, 23,550 to 23,850. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 50-02. Support, 49,950 to 49,900. Resistance, 50,450 to 50,500. Range, 49,900 to 50,500. Bias, sideways to bullish. The good news is that Nifty is steady above the 23,700 neighborhoods as HMPV virus off the front pages. Meanwhile, the three big catalysts in the near term. 1. TCS officially sets afire the ceremonial starters pistol for corporate India's Q3 results on Thursday, 9th January. 2. All bullish eyes will be on Friday's US NFP. 3. Delhi Assembly election voting on 5th February, results on 8th February. Buzzing stocks. 1. Zydus Life Sciences is in limelight on reports that the company inked an agreement with US-based CVS Caremark. CVS Caremark is one of the most patient-centric healthcare solutions providers in the US, and the said tie-up shall improve access to high-quality medications to patients and meeting their healthcare needs with reduced outlays. CVS Caremark will add Zydus Zituvio TM and combination products to its template formulary starting 1st January 2025. 2. Media reports suggests that Berger Paints is looking to buy Akzo Nobel India's promoter's stake. 3. Vodafone Idea gained 2.53% after CEO Akshay Mundra announced a phased rollout of 5G services in 75 major cities, focusing on 17 priority circles and industrial hubs with high data consumption. 4. Biocon shares is gaining ground on reports that it received an approval from Japan's Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency, PMDA. The regulatory body gave the green light to ustekinumab BS, a subcutaneous biosimilar injection to Stelara, marking a key breakthrough for the company.